angled at B. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equals 24 centimeter it is given and BC equals 7 centimeter. Find sine A, cos A, sin C and cos C. These are the trigonometric ratios which we have to find. So first we will draw the figure. Question is saying that right angle at B. Okay, so this is the B, this is A and this is C. Okay, so from the figure you will see, if you are taking the angle A, to that time perpendicular will be what? BC, and hypotenuse always it will be, both cases it will be AC, and base will be what? That will be, if you are taking angle A, this angle you are taking, this angle, that time base will be AB and the BC will be perpendicular. And when you are taking the angle C, that time the what? AB will be perpendicular and BC will be base. According to that we have to do. So first we have to find the sine A. So sine A, you know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse, because angle A you are taking, therefore that will be what? BC upon, what will be? BC upon AC. Okay, and cos A will be what? This AB will be base, AB upon AC. Okay, and next is their second part of the question, sin C it is asking. When you are taking the sin C, means angle is C, that time AB will be base, AB will be perpendicular. You know that sin theta equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. AB upon AC will be there, and cos C will be, cos C, if you are taking the angle C, that time BC will be, and that will be AC. Okay, now AB length you know and BC length you know. Here the AC, hypotenuse, you don't know. So we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Okay, and AB square what is given? That is 24 whole square. AB is given 24 and BC square will what? 7 whole square. So that will be 24 square will be 576 and 7 square will be what? 49. And if you will add this, then what will come? 9 6 15 and 7 4 11 12, 625. AC square equal to what? 625. Then AC will be square root of 625. Square root of 625 will be what? That you know 25. Square will what? 625. AC we have got the 25. Now we can get write down the values here. So sin equal to what? BC upon AC. So BC what is there? 7 and AC is what? 25. Okay, and this AB will be, AB is given there 24 upon 25, and sin C, AB upon AC, the AB upon AC already have solved that, 24 upon 25, and cos C will be what? BC upon AC. So BC upon AC is what? 7 upon 25. So there in the question you will see कि sin A and cos C both are equal, and cos A sin C that are equal. Okay, in this way we will solve the question 1. Yes students, see question number 6. If angle A equals angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. First with the figure it will be clear. It is saying that angle A and angle B are what? Acute angle. So this is A, this is B. Okay, this is A, this is B, So triangle ABC is there, and angle A and B are acute angles, because you know that angle C is what, 90 degree. So therefore in front of that angle C will what, that will be acute. In the question it is given कि cos A equals cos B, cos A equals cos B. So first you have to find out cos A. So cos A equals, when you are taking this angle, that time the cos A will be what, AC upon what, AB. Base upon hypotenuse is there. AC is the what, base, and when we are taking the what, angle A. Now cos B, when you are taking the as angle B, means this angle you are taking, so that time it will be what, base will be BC. So BC upon AB. Now according to question, cos A equals cos B. Now both values you write down. AC upon AB equals BC upon AB. Now you see the denominators are what, that are equal, and AC upon AB equal to, that means what, numerator will be also equal, so we can write AC equals BC. Now you see in that triangle, if AC and BC will be equal, that means these two sides of this triangle are equal, that means this is the isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, so therefore these angles will be equal. So angle A equals what, angle B. Okay. That means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle, you know that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. With that we can prove. Okay, student, thank you.